I see the video when they go viral. Many people they talk, say, when Neduwoko, say how Regina Daniel self can't land for this kind of place when he did. He be like say Neduwoko na Regina Daniel papa. Neduwoko get plenty wives. If they follow them for yan shop or down, if they follow them so that they not go fall for gbege like Regina Daniel. Now which body Neduwoko can get when go take do all those kind of waka? 70 years old man. My people, before I go, they turn out what they saw for inside this video when I just watched. So, make I first hello now, my correct people. You are welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name is Lady G. In case today now your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I bet make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime I try work bonga gist like this now you will first they get and you know if they miss them. Yes, my people, now this viral video of Regina Daniel. Many people don't see what they happen for there. So I don't need to go in detail where. But in case you don't know her, she be Nollywood actress. And she's married to Ned Nwoko. For people who don't know, I don't need to introduce her well because many people they go know her because Regina Daniel matter. It don't shake social media well, especially for this 2020, not be small. So that video now, many people they talk say na enjoyment na Regina Daniel day. Me myself, when I see the video, I know say things no work out well for there. Say Regina Daniel, something is wrong somewhere because I get another video when we say Regina Daniel post for her Snapchat. I don't share the video for you because YouTube not go agree. But some people go don't watch her. If you be say you don't watch her, you will know what they talk. That video, Regina Daniel the shark. That is the ginger herself with her friends and different things when she do. Immediately she do that video finish. Now she enter this motor, they drive, they go house, and the thing can't be say now night. So many people can't see the kind things when she they do for inside motor. They wanna watch just now. Many people can't they concern, especially fans when they say they like them. They can't they worried. Because this one come be like say, this thing don't pass Neduwoko say one add another wife John Regina Daniel. It be like say another thing. Now they happen for Regina Daniel life. Another thing when be say she don't want make people know. So many people they thought say na enjoyment. I say which kind of enjoyment be that? This one na enjoyment, my people. Because when I watch that video, now that one gave me the impression say something is happening here. My people are not loud now. When I watch this video at the beginning, the thing I watch and reach like that kind of 5 times. The thing shake me. I say, what is happening here? What you they do this small girl? What you can see for life? So many people see they talk say Neduwoko not fit control Regina Daniel. You know fit say make they live like this. Neduwoko not be like person who go fit control Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel don't talk am from the beginning say in a babe when we say get strong head. Nobody will fit control. That one now one of the reasons we make her marry Neduwoko because it be like say with Neduwoko get agreement say anything when she like now she go they do and she be night crawler. She still talk am na club babe. Now the real Regina Daniel now na they see so the real face now na they see so yes. So he say nobody go fit tell her wetin go do. So no be Ned go content and say now like this. Initially when Regina Daniel married Ned, una go see and say she dey try to change her lifestyle. Now that time they see and say they do they in midst of the Moroccan woman, the children, they cook, they do everything together. No, maybe she just to take while away her time to take cover up. If like say she don't see and say this thing, you know they work. Or this is not the real Regina. This one na club, now she for they dig the thing. Now inside club, now she for the na dear, now she they get her phone. If like now you take Ned say, I know what they live this kind of style. Now I make una see and say Ned carry bag and baggages, follow and go club some days ago. When I see the video self can still go viral. When they do some kind of things for there. It be like say as they do and finish now. Regina Daniel come one day tell Ned say now like this he go take they continue every weekend though. Maybe Ned come and say I don't get body for that kind of show. I know what they do this one every weekend. Now Regina Daniel say if you know say you know what they do, you go let me work out on my own. Maybe Ned now one day tell and say not be so. Forget say you be married one, not be like this, not be like this. At least once in a while, Regina Daniel say for where? So a few days ago, that Regina Daniel come send some message when be like saying Ned now they talk to. Make I read what she talk. I will quote something for inside anyway. She come to say when you with a independent female, any wrong move and they ready to leave you. So that one a big message to Ned. He don't tell Ned say. She na independent lady. If Neduwoko do some kind kukere waka, say no do away. The thing when be say no straight for her eye. She ready to move, she go waka. Maybe as he write that message, Ned see and then leave and make she waka her own. When I look Regina Daniel like person will fit and say, what thing go do? The only thing I see for them when I see that video, myself I pity for her. I be like say this girl, she really need help. She need help because he be like person will be say no get mama and papa now. Because if he get mama self go they see pikin say this pikin self, you know they normal get things don't they change for this girl body. Things don't they change well. Why some people they thought say na enjoyment? My people I don't know which kind of enjoyment that me myself I don't know what you now think. Now make I bring this video because the thing they go viral where the argument when they not be small. Some people say na enjoyment to say na the music when she they play na the thing na enter her brain. And other people talk say na lie. Maybe she ginger herself. She take market different things. Nothing different thing that people they talk. But me myself when they make this video I they feel say something they happen because after I watch the other video finish where she they ginger with her friends then she come enter inside motor. na im make me come dey think say there is something wrong somewhere. Why some people see dey talk say mind your business, say no be our business? My people, make una see wahala o. Regina Daniel carry a business put for public, make everybody chook mouth for the matter. Another person come dey chop Panadol for another man headache. Yet they say na we dey chop Panadol for another man headache. We na blogger o. If like say you dey tell blogger, journalist, newscaster, make him mind business. If you no put your business for public, nobody go see am. Nobody go see am talk. Me myself, when be say I dey talk the matter, I get for body. Everybody get body for body. People when be say they watch the video, all of them get for body. But if they be say they don't put am for public, nobody go see their matter talk. The moment when Regina Daniel go start to put her message, her video and her things for private, we no go see her matter they talk again. So anybody when be say they talk, say mind your business, not be our business. Now you be the real aproko. Now you dey chop Panadol for another person headache. We won't be the aproko. Now our work, you not be aproko. You know they do aproko work. You not be blogger. You not be anything. So now you go mind your business. Tell Regina say make she know they drop everything for video, because that video when I say I believe say now Regina Daniel go do that video by herself. I not believe say na somebody. Maybe she plug video for inside motor when she take video herself. Maybe she won't trend again, or she won't add this something make everybody see am. I not believe say na somebody go do this thing. If na person video, at least you go tell am say this one not good, or I not fit video this side. Now Regina Daniel na go do one by herself. So my people, make una talk wetin una think, how una see the matter. Una think say na enjoyment na Regina Daniel dey, so I be Regina Daniel herself. He don't ginger herself, or he gets something when he dey worry. How una see that video? What do una think? Make una self just to drop una own comment for the comment section of anything una see, how una think the matter. So my people, now here I go leave una today. I go hang my matter for here. I hope to see you now for my next video. I beg, if you be say you never subscribe and na your first time you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. And those of now when you don't subscribe, my returning subscriber, God will bless you and appreciate you so much. I go see you now for my next video when you know what to take from now. I will still give you an update if the matter still dey this matter. For now, have a blessed day. Bye bye.